say 15 and 15 plus 14 inside this of our info of a guy. So this, with the help of this step, we're able to jump to next 14 words. So I think, I hope it's not confusing. If you are still getting it confusing, that means I've not actually checked my video on this of our for range. I explained really well how this for range actually works. You are still getting it confusing. And there's another thing, since it's going to be like test upon test upon test, so it's sorry, upon word, there's no longer those spaces between them. Since when we use split here, we try to remove the spaces between them. So we need to actually add spaces to it. So we can make use of this empty space. We can say the join. We can make use of the join to join it. So we can put here our join. So it's going to be empty, and each of the tests we are going to join it with this empty space. So with that being done, we also need to also do something else. Because right now, when we looked at this, the first one guy was actually being here, meanwhile the second guy was there. So we need to eliminate this of the first guy. So how can we do this? Since we have actually make use of these info labels, and then we try to these labels that we have here that is actually displaying all these guys on the screen, we appended it to this of our info labels, that which is at the global a variable that is empty global empty list, and we appended this of our info label. This info label is going to be in form of a frame, so we need to actually destroy them. So we can, since this is a list, we can actually try to loop through them. And that should be one of the first things you do before the meta AI gets initialized, and then you send a message to them. So here we can actually just call our, we can say a for loop, we can say for labels in what our info underscore what label. So definitely talking about this info labels, guys. So we can actually comment. What can we actually say? Labels dot what destroy yeah. So we're going to destroy it, like how we destroy what is it called, our like how we destroy when we want to close the Tkinter application. So if we destroy that of the destroy that frame, like I said, it's going to be in that of the frame. As since we are done destroying that of the frame, meaning that we'll just try to make it not to exist here any longer. This first guy is not going to exist. We also need to do something. We're also going to make use of clear all our info labels. We can do that by actually just copying it and pasting it like this. We signify that we want to actually set it to be a brand new list. So, but there's a better way to do that. We can make use of the method clear in our list. Can say dot what clear. So we're just going to wipe out the entire list. It's going to be brand new list. So with this, we're able to handle all the problem that we have as of now. But there's still a lot of other problem, because since we try to split that of the space, the way that this was actually written, the business and economics hyphen United States social distance, is going to be messed up. But let's just see what we are able to do so far. So let's run this. Let's type latest news, and then hit on search. Once I got this kind of output, here are some of the latest news updates. North Sea ship collision, a recent collision between US flag oil tanker, blah blah blah. I see we're able to scroll so with this help of this scroll. So we're able to scroll. You can read and read more as you want. You can see technology advancement, show notes, first detail 3D map of the properties of cosmic dust in our home galaxy. The other whole lot of other latest news that you can actually check for yourself. You can make use of this chatbot you created. You can make use of the ChatGPT or a lot of other projects. You can just head on to Google and just search some of all these guys. So you can also see science breakthrough, science have made significant program, various blah blah blah. So, but we can actually notice something here. Instead of this instead of it being structured in the best ways, in our case it's not being structured due to we want a particular word to be in total of 40. You can see here this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. This is 14 word in total, 14 word, 14 words. So in this way we can actually get a 14 words in total. It doesn't, even though the this hyphen here or colon tend to start here, we didn't have the capacity, or our script currently does not have the capacity to actually handle this type of problem. So in our next video, we'll try our best to actually do that. But with this, we have actually done a whole lot of things concerning this our chatbot. You can see how easy for us to actually create our own chatbot by make use of that of the Meta AI. So in our next video, we are going to wrap up everything concerning this of chatbots in Tkinter. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Subscribe won't take a dime from your pocket. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.